Well, hello. Ain't that a beauty? And I'm not hiding this by mistake. It's on purpose because this one is indeed, it's a climbing chainsaw, right? And no, it's not the 019, which later became the 190, which was, I presume, 35 cc, which is pretty common today. But this one had a really bizarre intake. The filter is in a familiar place, you know, but the carburetor is right here. So you have a tunnel that takes the air all the way beneath this top plate to the carburetor where it all happens. But this puppy is the 191T. And this puppy's story is somewhere this size story. Or should I say the 250, his old father, which was the 025, if you will. This is probably the largest engine on a climbing chainsaw, top handle chainsaw. It has a 45 cc engine. And I had a bit of a crush on it, so I ordered it from, I don't know, I won it in auction several years ago. And guess what? It has an onboard clutch right here. Take a look. Yes, exactly like the 180, 181, 230, 251. It has the same sprocket and chain brake system. I mean, pretty similar. It has the same drum sprocket. Okay, so I can't remember what pitch it came with, but yes, it can run a 325 chain, the medium mass chain. Like there's on this 550 XP, okay? So, this is a legit, how much? 16 inch? Yeah. No, it's an 18 inch bar, a 325 pitch, with a 0.63 inch groove and driving links thickness. So later on, I also found this by surprise. So I jumped on this occasion and bought it. It was new old stock in the package, sealed, and I put it on just for kicks. And now it's basically like a top-handled 250C, which is quite hilarious. Now, the reason I can't run it right now is just because it's set for, I can only guess like a couple of years, or maybe 3, I don't know, maybe more. I've been trying to revive it for the last 5 minutes straight. Now, using a carburetor fluid or spray is not so healthy for two-stroke engines. So I use this refillable and repressurized spray bottle. So it has the nozzle, push-put nozzle, and you can repressurize it like you fill your tires. So you can fill it like halfway or 3/4 or 2/3, whatever, and then leave some room for pressurized air. It has, you know, over pressurizing valve that releases the pressure if it exceeds the maximum pressure of this bottle / tank. And I can use this with 2-stroke mixed oil in a way that won't kill the engine totally, and score the cylinder and piston. So let's check the label out. It doesn't say the year, I think. Oh, it does, 91. It's the ANSI safety standard label, by STIHL, of course, but it concludes all the safety standards of this chainsaw, and apparently the year too. So it's a 191 MS191T 45cc engine on a climbing top handle chainsaw, which is insane. It's pretty massive. You wouldn't expect this kind of unit with a 325 pitch 18-inch guide bar and chain. But as soon as I can run this puppy, maybe I should open all this cover after pulling the starter and recoil cover, and then I should remove this part and try to clean up the carburetor, and maybe I'm just lucky enough and the membranes are still usable. But overall, except the carburetor, this puppy is mint. I can barely see it from here, but the engine was fine. And it has low hours usage, and it's a beauty. It pretty much sounds like 250, the MS250. Yep, just with a tiny bit of tone change in the muffler. But yeah, a hybrid MS250 with, I don't know, 192. Yep, it's a mutant for sure. I really hope that I will do the carburetor soon, so I could start it up and show you guys this nifty little machine. Take care, be safe, see you in the next video.